Hey everyone, it's Luke here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it will often cause people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation here today. We can see that it is December the 12th. We have a CAVA, which pops up in the number 2 overall position on our main dashboard at TradeAlgo.com. So this is the first thing our members and our users, subscribers, are able to see when they log in. Our machine learning technology going through all private and public exchanges, all stocks available to find the best trading opportunities. This pops up as the number 2 pick with nearly a 1,000% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises. The stock jumps almost 16% as a result. If we go to our TradeAlgo Alerts tab, we could see that at 8:14 a.m., so this is more than an hour before the market opened, 847 times the institutional bullish pressure is identified there. So what's being picked up on behind the scenes is that typically only $28 million of the stock is traded by large market makers in private exchanges over previous 7-day total average. However, today alone, it was more than $250 million. So hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now, this large directional move starts to make a lot more sense. But it's about getting that information early. If you had followed smart money transactions and done some call options, you see a huge list of triple-digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $37 call option. We are taking a look at the 5-minute chart. Our AI picked it up at the very beginning of the morning in the pre-market. So options opened at about 80 cents at maximum and over 237% return. However, it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. It's about having the data and information down here, as you clearly saw with TradeAlgo, as opposed to hearing it over here after it's already made its huge move. For example, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 11:10 a.m. and then maybe you hopped out a little bit early at just a nice triple-digit return. Maybe you ended up catching a little bit of a lower bottom and ended up making an almost 500% return. Again, the whole point is get the data down here, stop chasing it over here. Congratulations to some of our users who were posting success stories in our live trading room, having actually hopped into the CAVA $37 option, just following right there on the top of the main dashboard. Made a nice 264% return for this user today. And it wasn't just CAVA. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to look through all of them. So let's just take a look at one more to wrap up the day. We've got AMD here, 174% increase in institutional bullish volume. The stock ends up jumping nearly 4% as a result, which for an over $200 billion market cap, that's a massive move. If we go to our TradeAlgo Alerts tab one more time, we can see that at 9:34, so it's just a couple minutes after market open, more than almost 4.5 times the average amount of institutional green bullish pressure. So again, our technology picking up on massive changes in private exchanges, in this case, billions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time than what's normally seen there. So no wonder the stock is moving in a much larger direction in the upward momentum spectrum. Now, if you had followed smart money transactions and done call options on AMD today, huge list of triple-digit returns there as well. Let's say, for example, you had done the $138 call option. We're taking a look at the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34. So at 9:35, this option was 84 cents, which means at its max, it's an over 353% return with plenty of time to make the trade and plenty of time to profit off of it in between. Even if you had held on all throughout the day, still up over 150%. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.